Imagine being stuck in a luxurious hotel in Japan, with a bizarre incident that changed everything. Let me tell you the story of a Lebanese man who found himself in an unforgettable situation. Our protagonist, after a long journey, landed in the hotel's swimming pool by accident. Little did he know that this innocent mishap would lead to a series of unexpected events. As he enjoyed his solitary bath, unaware of the consequences, the chemical reaction caused the entire pool to change color within moments. Panic ensued as security personnel rushed to the scene. The man was swiftly pulled out of the pool, surrounded by concerned hotel staff. They immediately took action, replacing the contaminated water and restoring order. Caught in a humiliating situation, the man was summoned to the hotel reception. His passport and luggage were confiscated, and he was forced to leave the premises. Seeking help from his embassy, the man shared his unbelievable story. With their guidance, he embarked on a quest to find a hotel without a swimming pool. As he prepared to leave Japan, the man faced one final encounter at the airport immigration. The officer sealed his passport and left him with a parting remark, "A lesson learned." Word of the incident spread like wildfire, and soon the entire country knew about the man who had urinated in the swimming pool. Even today, he can't help but wonder if every Japanese person he meets is aware of his mishap.